Good morning, Kinder Kids, and happy Tuesday. This week is Outer Space Week, so we will be talking a little bit about the moon. We'll be talking about the planets. We'll be talking about stars and constellations, and it's going to be an out of this world week. I like this week. This week is super fun. If you have a telescope, I invite you to look through it at nighttime and let me know what you're seeing out there. It's fun to go outside at nighttime and look at the stars. It's fun to be outside during the day and look at the clouds as our world is spinning. Learning about outer space is really cool and really fun. The book I have today is called 8 Spinning Planets. So you know, as we're on Earth right now, Earth is actually spinning and it's orbiting at the same time. So what that means is that we're spinning around like this and we're moving around the sun at the same time. So we're spinning in circles, going around something at the same time. I think, don't tell Cameron and Tyler, but I think I'm gonna have them demonstrate that for you, and I'm gonna film them and show it to you. So, because that's something that I sent home for you guys to try and do. It's very tricky. So the book I'm gonna read is 8 Spinning Planets, and I hope you like it. 8 spinning planets. 8 spinning planets travel around the sun. Mercury is closest and is the smallest one. It is a rocky planet without any air. With the sun so close by, it is very hot there. So here's the sun, and here's the first planet we're talking about, Mercury. It's the smallest planet, and it's the closest to the sun, and that means it is so hot there. Venus, 7 spinning planets around the sun they go. Here is beautiful Venus with its yellow glow. Covered with clouds that trap the sun's rays, Venus is like a desert, hot and dry every day. So here's Venus right here. Just like Mercury, it's very, very hot there. It's so close to the sun. Earth, that's where we live. 6 spinning planets, in outer space they roam. Next comes bright blue Earth, the place we call our home. Earth is filled with water, food, animals, and air. It's the perfect world for us all to share. So we're the 3rd planet from the sun. And our planet has things that make it able for us to live on there, right? We have oxygen, we have food that can grow, we have water that waters our crops and gives water to us and other animals and things like that. And so that's why we live on Earth, because Earth is the only planet that people can live on and survive. Really important. Mars, 5 spinning planets in space overhead. You can tell this one is Mars because it's red. Mars has mountain ranges that rise up very high. It has not 1, but 2 moons that orbit in its sky. It has 2 moons that go around it. We have 1 moon. Our moon does look different sometimes though, huh? It's called the phases of the moon. Sometimes it looks like a full circle. Sometimes it looks like just a little C. Sometimes it looks like a half a moon. That's all because of shadows. We'll learn about that too. I have a lesson on that. Jupiter, 4 spinning planets floating with the stars. Make way for Jupiter. It is really large. It is the biggest planet and rotates awfully fast. With one great red spot, Jupiter is made of gas. So Jupiter is the largest planet and it's made of gas and it spins very, very quickly. Saturn, 3 spinning planets, such incredible things. Look, there is Saturn with all its pretty rings. The rings circle Saturn and reflect sunlight. They are made of icy rocks that glow nice and bright. Icy rocks are the rings of Saturn. Now, as we get further from the sun, the planets are getting colder and colder. The sun is what warms up the Earth, right? The sun is what gets us our warm, sunny days and makes us feel so warm and cozy. But the further away from the sun we get, the colder the planets are getting. Uranus, 2 spinning planets, deep in space they glide. Look at Uranus, it's lying on its side. Uranus is made of gas like Jupiter. The planet and its rings look like one big blur. So here we are, the pretty blue color here. Again, it's made of gas, it's not solid. And the last, Neptune, 1 spinning planet. Neptune is cold, cloudy, and blue. If you were that far from the sun, you would be cold too. We've counted all the planets circling the sun. That leaves only Pluto, which is too small to be 1. Pluto is right here, and that's what they call a dwarf planet. And that means it's a planet, but it's teeny tiny. And so it's not included in our main planets. We used to study 9 planets that included Pluto, but now we talk about the 8 spinning planets because Pluto's too small. But that leads me into a song that I have about outer space, and it's to help you learn the planets. So it goes like this. Ready? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, hurrah, hurrah. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, hurrah, hurrah. Jupiter and Saturn are next in line. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto make 9. And they all go spinning around the sun. Da-dun. One more time. Okay, ready? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, hurrah, hurrah. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, hurrah, hurrah. Jupiter and Saturn are next in line. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto make 9. And they all go spinning around the sun. Da-dum. Yeah, I hope you can learn that song and we can sing it together. So we're going to now do our calendar. Today's a special day because today is the very last day of March. That means when we wake up tomorrow, it's going to be a brand new month. March is over with. We've counted all the days in March. So after March, let's think about that, right? Let's think. Let's think about our months in the year. January, February, March, and April, right? April. It is going to be April next. But for now, it is still March. March. Today is the last day of March. Today is the 31st. 3-1. 31. 31st day of March. Let's figure out the day of the week, though, before we finish saying our date. Ready? Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. So we have stay-at-home Saturday and stay-at-home Sunday. Monday is usually come to school day. But for circle times, Tuesday is our very first day, and that's today. Today is Tuesday, our first circle time of the week. The second day of our school week. Today is Tuesday, March 31, and our year is 2020. So after March, it's going to be April, we said. So March starts with an M, March. And April is going to be starting with an A. So this is going to be our new month, April. April. So I'm going to put that behind here. So tomorrow, when you wake up, it's going to be April. I hope you have a great day today. I want you to, at nighttime, if you can, go outside and look at the stars. I want you to look at the moon if the clouds aren't covering it. On Larson's Facebook site is a paper you can print out so you can color what the moon looks like each night. So I would love for you to print that out and color it in each night of the whole entire month of April, so you can see the different phases of the moon and how they change and the pattern of the change. It's something fun you can do with your older siblings or with mom and dad. And I hope you have a great day today. I will see you soon. Bye.